My name is Russell Champagne. I'm a CPA in public practice. I have been practicing now for about 39 years. About 35 of those years have been largely focused in the area of governmental auditing. We have audited the district attorney's office for about the approximately last 20 years or so. The district attorney's office is sound financially today. They have been for the last several years. We look at governmental bodies' ability to continue, and a good benchmark that's used is 3 to 4 months of expenditures within your general fund. And the DA, as of their last audit, which has just recently been issued, their 2019 audit report, showed that they have a reserve or a fund balance in their general fund of approximately 5 months of expenditures currently. Again, that was as of December 31, 2019. The DA's office has been very consistent from year to year, both under this administration and the previous one that we worked with. The audits have been consistent. The accounting records have been consistent. Like any other governmental entity, they have had some ups and downs, some changes that take place, oftentimes items or matters that have nothing to do with the DA's office, just has to do with governmental accounting and auditing. There's been implementation of different new standards over the years that's caused reporting changes. But again, this is for all governmental bodies, not just the DA. So the changes that have taken place have been more generic, if you will, as they relate to governmental entities. The COVID-19 pandemic is affecting all of our clients, basically, industries that are oil related or manufacturing related that are really hurt today. And governmental bodies are no different. Governmental bodies will most certainly see, or most of them will see, a reduction in tax revenue and other forms of revenue as the economy has gotten so slow. And so we expect to see a downturn in a lot of our clients that are audited. Hopefully that expectation is not met, but that is our expectation today. And we are keeping a close eye on that along with our clients to see what kind of impact it ultimately has. We are given complete access to any information that we request. They provide information that is both accurate and timely, which is good. Allows us to do our job more efficiently, which is good. Better for the taxpayers. But we have experienced no difficulties whatsoever in working with the DA's office. All of the audit reports of governmental entities in the state of Louisiana are published online, and everyone has access to them. So it is very transparent. And again, it's not only for the DA's office, but all governmental entities are expected to provide that type of information. The audit report for 2019 has recently been issued. Naturally, we are not able to do the 2020 audit yet because the year is not yet complete. The only thing we would expect different in 2020 are things that are caused by the pandemic and decisions perhaps that management will need to make to deal with that. We have kept in close contact with all of our clients, trying to be proactive with this matter, letting them know that we're here should they need help. And most of our clients have taken us up on that offer and have communicated a lot with us on best practices, if you will. And the DA's office is no different. We have very good communication with them, and they keep us informed of matters that may be concerning and that they may need assistance with. So we feel like we're very well and timely informed. The 2019 audit report was submitted to the Legislative Auditor's Office recently, which is standard. Our audit report includes an auditor's opinion on the financial statements, and our opinion this year on the financial statements, as in years past, was what is termed as an unmodified, or in layman's terms, a clean audit opinion. That's what you're striving to get from your auditors, or that's what you hope to get from your auditors, is a clean audit opinion. And what that means is that your financial statements are fairly presented in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. Part of the 2019 audit deals with federal funds. And when federal funds are expended through a governmental agency, if those funds exceed $750,000 in any given year or fiscal year, then additional procedures are required as part of our audit. It's called uniform guidance. And that was all performed this year as well. And as part of the reporting that is required, we are required to issue an opinion on those procedures as well. And that was also deemed to be an unmodified or clean audit opinion this year. We go over these types of matters every year as what we call an exit conference with our clients. Typically it's the, if you will, the CEO and the CFO of each agency. And at the exit conference, we go over a lot of details about the audit report. Some of the things that are covered, for example, would be the balance sheet and how it compares to the prior year, the statement of revenues and expenditures and how it compares to the prior year. Other matters discussed at the exit conference regarding the financial statements were the fact that the fund balance as of December 31, 2019 was right at $1.9 million. The total revenues for the year were right at $4.2 million, and total expenditures, again, all in the general fund, of about $4.4 million.